We are going to use this app, LMNet. We have LMNet and LM Tweet. Do you get me? But we are going to use one of them. In fact, any of them works. Just as you are seeing, any of them works. So we are going to use the LMNet for this free browsing tutorial. LMNet. Okay. So first you have to click and open it. Then you sign up with any number of your choice. Do you get me? Sign up with any number of your choice. So for instance, I am going to use a local number. So you wait for verification just as it is doing now. So just hold on, but you should make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi in the first place, as you're going to use Wi-Fi for the registration and then get the free internet access. So hold on. Okay, so it's here 6800, so 6800 shit 68, Jesus Christ. Six, eight, 00, submit. Bingo. So the app will now open. So I'm going to show you what to do next. So once you are in, you disconnect the Wi-Fi. You just have to disconnect the Wi-Fi and switch to a normal data you are using. Right now I'm using my SIM 1 for data service, so I connect to that one. Then you click on settings. You make sure notify me is switched on. You make sure all these are switched on. Then you switch data free mode to on. Switch it on. Data free mode, you switch it on. You get me? You switch it on. Make sure these are also on. Okay, I hope you are following. Then you claim EcoBank Pay from your list of offers. So you go back and you look for EcoBank Pay. I think this is it, right? Please, I hope you are following. Follow. Okay, so you claim, isn't it? I hope you are following. Please don't miss any step. This is why I've taken my time so that you will understand everything. Okay, so allow, then you install. come back whilst it installs. Okay, so it's installing in the background. Let me use Wi-Fi to install this. So you wait whilst it continues to download. Okay, so afterwards you click open Express P as well. Click open. So when you click it will when you click the Express P, it's going to open the LMT trick. Okay, so let's check if this one is done. Oh, some more time left. Okay, so once this one opens, when it opens, you turn on free data mode. Turn on free data mode. Oh, you accept terms and conditions. You accept the terms and conditions. Accept the terms and conditions. Accept. Then you activate the app. Accept. Okay. You exit it. You click active and you see your offers over there. I have 1,000 megabytes over here, right? As you can see, right? So I open any of them. Then I'll try looking for turn on free data mode. So you come back and switch off your Wi-Fi. So once you switch on your data, it will attempt a data connection. So you click yes or continue. The next step is a connection request. So you go ahead and click OK. The next one is I am going to select your download location, right? So let's wait until the VPN connects. Let's hold on. It has not connected. New YouTube Go. You get me? So there are many offers each day, which about 1,000 gigabytes. So we hold on until the VPN connects.